Good evening, YouTube. Joseph Trades here. It is March the 13th. Doing a late day summary video. Finally got some tech help by one of my best friends, Dr. Matthew Newman, was kind enough to help me with this. Um, but I want to show you my summary of the day here. We can see that for the day we had a 73% win rate. Um, it says there were 26 trades. It was actually less because I copy trade some. But a good day. Had over $1,000 in profit. Can't really complain about that. Let's see. As far as the month goes, we've got March has been pretty good. As you can see, most days have been green. I've had a few tilt days. That was more of an execution error day, Thursday the 6th. Got a little Had a little copy trade issue. The tilt day was the 10th. That's when I really realized that every day I have to focus on not getting excited. I have to focus on being calm. I have to focus on the process. And I know what happened that day. My morning routine was altered. I didn't get to meditate, and I told myself that morning that I better not trade. And well, you see the result of trading without having a good mindset. It can cost you. This was just one of those days that we say is a learning experience. This was a day I knew I shouldn't be trading because of something that happened in the morning. Ever since then, though, Wednesday was my best day I've had yet, and today was really good as well. I did have a bit of a drawdown at the end of the day. It was up over 2,000 at one point, but I tried to pass an eval going much too big and took a hit, but that's okay. It was an A plus setup, and I would do it again. So let's take a look at the markets, shall we? This is the big picture. I use the 4 hour for the big picture. I trade the E-mini Nasdaq. Sometimes the mini, sometimes the micro, depending on what account I'm trading. For evals, mainly it'll be minis. For funded accounts, it'll be the micros, just because risk management. That's a key, right? You gotta stay in the game and build up the money. Well, from a big perspective, you don't need me to tell you that we're in a bear trend. Just look at that EMA. Price has big separation beneath. It's got a lot of momentum to the downside. Um, the good news, maybe, is that we have an area of possible support here, which was from back in March when price punched through, and it tested once, tested twice, and this could possibly provide an area of support again. I hope so, because if not, my 401k is going to be a 100k in a few months if we're not careful. But it is what it is. All we can do is buy quality when we have a chance to, and know that in the long run, these good companies are going to be good investments. But that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about day trading. And day trading, as you know, the market acts as a liquidity machine. So the time frame that I trade on every day is the 5 minute, and this is my 5 minute chart that I had today. You'll notice these ellipses and various lines. I can explain more of that as time goes on, but I had 14 what I call high probability signals today, and that allowed me to have good setups to make profitable trades. But you see, in the morning we had a bear dump, and then we had a bear channel, and then for those who are not familiar with Al Brooks, he's known as the father of technical analysis. Uh, excuse me, the father of price action. Technical analysis has been going on for a long time. Well, we can get into that at another time. But he's known as the father of price action. And something I learned from him was when you have a spike down in a channel, a clear bear channel, What'll sometimes happen is there will be a two-legged move and then a retest of the extreme, and that's exactly what happened today. My trade of the day was this bull flag I was able to get into and ride up to this buy side liquidity. Bull flag is one of my favorite patterns. You also saw a sweet bear flag here. Flags have been really good to me, and quite frankly, I should focus on them and a few more things exclusively, and I probably will as time goes on. But anyway, that was the day we had. We call it a bearish spike and channel. As far as my accounts are going, my goal is to build up my accounts. You can see here on NinjaTrader, all of these except for two are evals. These are two Apex uh, uh, PA accounts, which means performance accounts. So I guess if it would really be PAA, but it's a performance account. That's what the PA means. The rest of these are evals from various firms. We have My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and I don't have any more Apex evaluations at the moment. I'm focusing more on the other companies for a few reasons, but Apex has been good to me. I'm just trying to diversify my prop firm experience. My goal is to get 10 funded accounts and consistently trade them disciplined and over time grow my equity curve so that one day when I'm trading my own live money, I will have practiced the discipline and all the things you need as far as process. And I'm trying to hardwire my brain to perform in that way. It's a lot of fun to trade big and you know and to just sling contracts. That's great, and I've done it. But I'm trying to, for the long term, plan for this for the rest of my life. And if I'm slinging accounts and doing that, that's not going to work for me. I need to be able to have good risk management and be able to be consistent. So I'm all about discipline, process, and consistency. So that's the goal of what I'm doing and trying to do anyway. I'm hopefully getting better at it as time goes on, and that's what I hope we can see for those who choose to smash like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. I just want to thank you for your time, and until next time, great trading, everyone. Bye bye.